Okay, welcome back to this second class. Right now, I will be taking you through how you can create students. You can add students to the Edge School Manager. All right. So I will let's dive into it straight away while I show you on the screen how to go by it. All right. So if you will want to add student to the Edge School Manager, you go to SM Students. From SM Students, you will see admission over on it. You know, I mistakenly clicked on it. Normally, you are supposed to over. All right. When you over on it, you add students, or you come directly here to add students. You can add students or bulk admission. So I will encourage just add new students one by one. Okay. So now student name, you can input this student details, the gender, the date of birth. All of these are not relevant. Anywhere you see the asterisk, it shows that it's very important for you to fill. So you can fill them on the go, or you can fill them later. All right. So, but what is most important is add the student name, the gender, the email. If the student do not have email, you can add the school email. All right. You will also add the city, country. All those are not very important. What is important here is the admission. All right. Admission date, admission number. Of course, now here you can see my admission number. I will have to add it by prefer, and the enter roll number, I will have to add it. So in order for me to do this, I will have to change the setting of this account in such a way that my admission number will be done automatically. All right. The system itself will be giving admission number and roll number based on settings. All right. So I will quickly show you how to do that right away. Okay, let me see. Let's go to school, SM school, then settings. I will come back to this later. Registration. From here, you can see online registration, you can see all of this. Now, auto-generate admission number. We are going to set that to yes, yes. So once you do that, we are good. Then you click on save. And then we'll go back to SM student, then go to admission. Go to admission. Here you can add the students, date of birth, religion, caste, blood group. All of these are not very important. The email is important. The admission date is important. So you can just input the admission date. Can you see this is auto-generated, and this is now auto-generated? All right. So the class is also very important. What class is Z? What section is Z? It's also very important. If you have a photo of the student, you can add. If not, it's not important. Parent details also is important. You add them, but it's not necessary. It's necessary you add them, but it's not important. So anyhow, pick one of it. So if you want to give the student login, I will not advise you give the student login now. The teachers can later edit the login. I mean, edit each student in their class, and or the administrator can do that later. So we can still set it to login disallow login for both of them. To allow login, you can see the subjects that have been added for GSS1 because I picked GSS1 as a class. You can see all the subjects are highlighted here. Okay, so let's say you want to allow students to log in, you just click on new user, then you add in their username and their login Gmail and and their password. So with these details, this is what they are going to be using to sign in into the portal. So likewise, the parents will also have their own login details. Once you've given that, then you click submit. Okay, because we allowed this and we didn't fill it yet. Let's disallow, and then submit. Good. That's how to add students. So you keep doing that, and that's that. Thank you. If you have any question, feel free to ask on the chat box or in the comment section on YouTube. I'll be there to answer your questions. Okay, great. Have a nice day.